Hi, my name is Sarah Darden. I'm a digital marketer and I specialize in qualified lead generation for the property industry. So, property developers, off the plan sales, and projects. I also provide leads for those in the health and fitness industry and anti aging sector. But I have to say, a few weeks ago, I hit a little bit of a wall in producing the quantity and quality of leads that I needed to provide to my clients and also for my own business. And I happened to come across Mike Hillsden of the Chatbot Agency. And I ended up booking in for one of his 3-hour training sessions. And during this session, he turned so much of what I previously knew about Facebook advertising and the way to set things up on its head. And within that 3-hour period, I was able to set up a chatbot and have it up and running. And within the hour after that training, I was pulling in leads, real qualified leads after that session. It just changed the whole game for me. And not only was it doing qualified leads within the hour, it was really cost effective. Previously, I thought that I had to spend all this money on Facebook advertising in order to, pull in a few leads and make it work. Well, it turns out I was doing it a bit wrong, or it just was really inefficient, or I was screwing up all of the Facebook data mining that was happening with my ad sets and campaigns. And Mike will explain a lot of this in the training, but the way he teaches you to set things up is so that as your campaigns run, they become more efficient and a lot more effective. And I just can't wait to see what happens in the next few weeks. But during this training, I also learned how to set up the ads myself, set up the chatbot, and I can even edit it. I can create new chatbots, and he's constantly churning out new ones that just blow my mind with their incredible sales funnels on how to, generate even more qualified leads and going into different industries. It's endless, the possibilities and opportunities here. So if you're sitting here watching this, it's probably because you too have hit a wall, or maybe you've never done Facebook advertising and you just know, you've heard enough about it that you need to get on this train because it's real, it's effective. So many people are using Facebook for their social lives, including business owners. If you're a B2B, this can work for you as well. I would not disregard this. So if you're thinking about even remotely spending $10, $100, or $5,000 on Facebook advertising in a month, I would do this 3 hours of training with Mike so that you're actually spending those dollars efficiently and you're actually going to get results from it. Do the training, never look back. Feel free to call me if you need another testimonial because I will sing his praises as long as there's Facebook, which I'm pretty sure there's going to be Facebook for a long time. Anyway, go for it. It's all about the chatbot man.